Hello everyone, let's start with the next miscellaneous series. Okay, over here we know that s is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 squares and so on till 1 divided by infinity square. Okay, and we need to find the value of 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square minus 1 by 6 square and so on till infinity. Okay everyone, so the answer of this find expression should be in terms of s. Okay, the answer is not going to be in numerical form, answer is going to be in terms of s. For example, s into something, s divided by something, s plus something, or s minus something. Okay everyone, so let's start solving this question. So over here the expression in find is what? Tell me, 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and so on. Okay, so what we can observe here is some terms are positive, some terms are negative. Okay, which terms are positive? 1 divided by odd number square is a positive term, and which terms are negative? 1 divided by even number square are negative terms. Okay, so the first thing that comes in our mind is let's separate all the positive terms and let's separate all the negative terms. Okay everyone, so the expression in find we can represent it as, let's take all the positive terms in one bracket. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 square plus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 divided by 5 square and so on. Okay, now from all the negative terms let's take minus sign common. If I take minus sign common from all the negative terms, what is remaining in the second bracket? 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 4 square plus 1 divided by 6 square. Okay, and so on. Okay everyone, now look here. So let's have a look at this second bracket. Okay, so from this second bracket, can I say I can take 1 by 2 square common? Okay everyone, just 1 second. Okay, from this second bracket I am going to take 1 divided by 2 square common. Okay, so what is remaining in this bracket? Look here, this 2 square is nothing but 2 square into 1 square. Okay, so if I take 1 by 2 square outside, 1 divided by 1 square is remaining. Okay, so from 1 divided by 4 square, okay, 4 square is nothing but 2 square into 2 square. So if I take 1 by 2 square common, so 1 divided by 2 square is remaining here. Okay everyone, 1 divided by 6 square is nothing but 2 square into 3 square. If I take 1 divided by 2 square outside, so here it is 1 divided by 3 square is remaining and so on. Okay everyone, so can I say this is nothing but 1 by 4 into s? Okay, can I say this bracket is nothing but s? Okay, we know the value of s is equal to how much? Value of s is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square and so on. Okay, so the value of this second bracket becomes how much? 1 by 4 into s. Okay everyone, so as we converted second bracket into s, in a similar manner we need to convert first bracket into s. Okay everyone, let's see how we can do this. Okay, in the first bracket what is given? Look here, in the first bracket 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square is there. Okay, so now this first bracket, can we write it as all the terms? Okay, all the terms means s means 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, okay, plus 1 by 4 square and so on till positive infinity. Okay, so all the terms from this bracket, which terms we don't want? Okay, which terms we don't want? We don't want 1 divided by even number square. Okay, means we don't want 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 4 square plus 1 divided by 6 square and so on. These terms we don't want. Okay, so can we write first bracket as all the terms minus 1 divided by even number square? Okay, because we want only 1 divided by odd number square, means from all the terms we are going to subtract 1 divided by even number square. Okay, so can I say this first bracket is equivalent to s? Okay, and this second bracket is equivalent to what? The second bracket is equivalent to 1 by 4 into s, as we calculated earlier. Okay, the second bracket is equal to what? 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 6 square and so on. The value of this bracket is nothing but 1 by 4 into s. Okay everyone, so our final answer is going to be what? Let's have a look at it. Our final answer is s minus s by 4 minus s by 4. Okay, that is going to be how much? S minus s by 2. Okay, that is going to be how much? s divided by 2 is our final answer. Okay, so the expression given in the find, okay, the find the value of that expression. Okay, so the value of that expression is going to be how much? S divided by 2. Okay everyone.